In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to permanently delete a resource in Monday.com. Whether you've deleted a board, workspace, dashboard, document, item, or even a column, and you want to make sure it's gone for good, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. I'll also explain the 2 different ways permanent deletion works inside Monday.com, so you know exactly what to expect. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From that drop-down menu, click on Trash. This is where Monday.com stores all deleted resources from your account. Think of this as your account-level trash bin. Inside the trash section, you'll find deleted workspaces, boards, dashboards, docs, items, and even columns, depending on what has been removed. Now, it's important to understand that when you delete something in Monday.com, it is not immediately gone forever. Instead, it gets moved to this trash area. This gives you a safety window in case you accidentally delete something important and need to restore it. There are 2 ways a resource can be permanently deleted from here. The first way is automatic permanent deletion. Monday.com keeps deleted resources in the trash for 30 days from the date of deletion. After those 30 days pass, the system will automatically and permanently delete the item. Once that happens, it is no longer accessible and cannot be restored. So if you simply want something to disappear permanently and you're not in a rush, you can just leave it in the trash and wait for the 30-day period to expire. However, if you want to permanently delete the resource immediately, there's a second method. Inside the trash section, you'll see a list of all deleted items. On the left-hand side of each item, there's a checkbox. Go ahead and click the checkbox next to the resource you want to permanently delete. Once you select it, you'll notice that a new option appears that says Delete Permanently. Click on Delete Permanently. Monday.com may ask you to confirm your action, because this step cannot be undone. After you confirm, the resource will be permanently removed from your account right away. It will no longer appear in trash, and it cannot be restored in the future. So, just to quickly recap, click your profile picture, go to Trash, find the deleted resource, and then either wait 30 days for automatic deletion or manually select the checkbox and choose Delete Permanently for immediate removal. This is especially useful if you're cleaning up old boards, organizing your account, removing sensitive information, or just keeping your workspace tidy and clutter-free. And that's it. That's exactly how to permanently delete a resource in Monday.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tips, tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.